It's the rap Diablo, macho when I drop flows. Bar gets raised up, it's me and Petey Pablo.
What is going on, YouTube? Here at Publix, first time trying it out, getting ready for the day, getting on a boat, having a good time.
Good job, good job.
Is that good?
Yeah. You already know we got the pub subs, essential for a day outdoors / boat day, beach day, whatever you're doing outdoors. Yeah, we're just gonna be on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Oh shit! Get your towel!
Victoria, how many fine shits are gonna be on this boat?
I think all the girls are fine shit.
I like it. I like
Guys
it. Not too worried about that. But boat day, I'm about to pull hella baddies, bro.
Bryce gonna pull some baddies today. Without a doubt.
No way. Let's go. Cheers.
Happy Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day.
Yes, sir.
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
Yeah, no, for real. Yo, I barely got any.
It's that aftertaste. I know during
Yeah,
I didn't
right?
taste
They hit.
it. Afterwards, I tasted it. Good. I don't like tea though.
Well, now I need.
No, my bitch so bad, you spend your cash on a...
Can you get a dog drunk? Yeah. Okay. Should we do it? Yeah. I kind of want to jump. Might have to. You jump, I jump. Doesn't look too deep.
This side is not really. Nah, I think it's like maybe 10.
Yeah.
You guys have some.
You walk around town with that guy. When you pass by, I just laugh like.
Oh, yo, why you slam him on there like that?
I thought he would help.
What's up? Oh, damn. All right, Victoria, hour 2. How are you feeling?
I feel pretty good. I only had like 3 shots.
You need to up that. You need to up that a little
We'll
bit.
work on it.
Okay. Swimsuit from TikTok shop.
TikTok shop. Very nice, very nice.
Make sure you guys go follow. Oh shit. Okay. All right, go follow Victoria, your kid as, and buy the swimsuit off a TikTok shop. Even if you don't need it, get it for your girl, get it for your sister, get it for your mom or something.
Get it for your girl. She
Yeah.
loves you.
She definitely would. See. All right, so hour 2. We're about what, like 5 drinks in. Just crack the wine open.
What the fuck is up, YouTube? Out here on the boat.
Yeah.
Take it easy. That's cool. For the win. Hey,
Oh, wait,
can we get some
yo, pause, yo. What is this, bro?
What is it?
This is like white shit.
Oh.
Pause.
Hey,
Pause,
good
bro.
job. Win in Florida. Ain't no party like a dinner party.
First bite of the pub sub. Go ahead, bro.
One bite, everybody knows the rules.
Oh my god!
Really be packing themselves. They be packing.
Let me put it over here.
Rated out of 10. Okay.
Haven't been sitting under a cushion for however many hours. 8-3.
Ooh, no, yo, that's solid. That's solid.
Because it has like that citrus.
You want this bad, don't you? Yeah. This shit is so good, Coda. Yo, it's so good, bro. It is so good. Yeah, I know. You're going to dog house, bro. I know I am.
I'm not remember where you been at, I'm just passing the breeze. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking.
Over the head. Oh! Oh my gosh! Dude, that was good. That was good.
I hit my thumb when I went up, so that's why I did that.
I didn't think I'd get that one shot over when I was running back.
Yeah.
All right, so nobody wanted to give us free air. So I'm blowing into this tube. That's what mine looks like. Professional blower over here. Going crazy. Still got a long way to go. Finally, after hours and hours of blowing, got it, baby. Cooked after a long beach day, and the only thing that could save me, save us, is Zaxby's. Thank God for Zaxby's. You love Zaxby's?
Sure do.
Oh, hell yeah. There we go.
My daughter, she has me on location. I brought my grandson here.
Uh-huh.
And she's texting me like, really, Mom? There's a Zaxby's around here?
It's so good.
Seriously? You found me on location? Sorry, already leaving.
Oh,
It's my first time.
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I
so we're gonna try the hottest sauces that Zaxby's has to offer. The buffalo garlic, and then the nuclear sauce. Are we cooked? Probably, yeah. But you know what? I gotta see if they're really hot. I gotta see if they're really hot. All these places have these hot sauces, but they're not really hot. So you know what? We're gonna try them out. Nice, juicy Zaxby's. All right, so we got the spicy buffalo sauce, buffalo garlic sauce, the 4th hottest sauce on the menu. Let's see what's up. Yeah, that's not bad. That's a good warm up. This right here, that's the real demon. All right, wish me luck. It's not bad.
Is that in you?
Nah. It's a fake demon. It's a fake demon, bro. It's a fake demon.
Now I gotta give this up.
Yeah. That's not bad.
Oh, shoot.
Zaxby's, your hottest sauce sucks. It's not hot. What do you think?
It's good. I think I like Raisin Cane's better. Yeah,
Okay. All right,
better
now.
sauce. Better sauce. But
Okay.
the fries, better here.
So, Cane's has a better product overall.
I like the Texas toast, the Raisin Cane sauce. I think I like the chicken better too.
Damn.
I gotta give it to Cane's.
I'm a little disappointed, I can't lie. But Zaxby's, I still love y'all. Your sauces suck, other than the Zax sauce, but it's all good.
Still delicious.
Yes, sir.
Brick by brick. Built this city.
Yes, sir. Hey, man. A lot of hard decisions were made to get me here, man. I had to sell a lot of bricks. Had to cut some people off. Had to piss some people off. Hey, man, it's lonely at the top, bro. It's lonely at the top. What the fuck was that, bro?
Hoping that whoever's this guy or whatever, I'm hoping he knows.
Yeah.
But then I have questions.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, we should start coming out regularly.
Facts.
This is how we learn.
Exactly. This is how we get better.
Yeah, that's how we become.
All right, Chelsea. First professional pickleball game. How you feeling?
I got this. Let's get it.
Yeah, locked in. You locked in?
All the way.
All right, bet. All right. Day one playing professional pickleball.
We absolutely got destroyed, but that's okay.
It's okay. We're learning.
Yeah.
I think our record was what, 2-3?
Yeah, we did get really good at one point.
Oh yeah.
We did beat people, and then they beat us right after.
But all that matters is that we're getting better.